I'm here in Toronto visiting my mom. This is the music room, obviously. So I'm going to be vlogging my weekend. I just got up not that long ago, had some tea. I'm still really full from, we had Japanese all-you-can-eat yesterday, so I'm not even hungry yet, even though I do quite like breakfast. So we're on our way to go to an outlet mall because my boyfriend kind of needs some new shoes. And I might buy some makeup because I'd like to learn to do makeup a little better. And then after that we're going out for lunch, and then after that we're going to a Japanese summer festival. And my mom has a yukata that she's going to dress me up in, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm really excited to show you guys that. Also, during my holiday here, I'm going to be reading a lot of books. I bought 4 books by Terry Pratchett, my favorite author. And then my mom also had bought me these books a while ago that I'm also going to read. This one is Looking for Spinoza, Joy, Sorrow, and the Feeling Brain by Antonio Damasio. And it's kind of a... well, it's written by a neuroscientist, and it discusses kind of the overlaps of Spinoza's philosophy with the findings of this neuroscientist. So I think it's a really, really cool idea for a book, and it's really nicely written actually. So far, I'm not that far into the book, but it's been kind of like a storytelling experience mixed with very informational. And I really like that. So I'll probably be trying to do some book reviews of the books I read. And yeah, we'll see what else I make of videos for you guys. So come along while I go shopping first. Want you in it? I had a really great time at the Japanese summer festival yesterday, doing some dancing and stuff. I sadly didn't get any videos of it, but I've got some pictures. And so today, well, it's Sunday morning now, and we're going to go up north and yeah, like see some small town areas, go for some walks, and then go sailing. Well, it's my first time sailing and also my boyfriend's first time sailing, so we're having a lesson, and then hopefully some other time I'll be able to we'll be able to go sailing with one of my friends is an experienced sailor, and my mom is also has been taking lessons for a while now, so it should be fun. Oh yeah, and this is one of the things I bought when I was shopping yesterday. I thought it was really cute. I saw it in the window, and so I had to buy it. I've been wanting something like this for a while. I think it'll be pretty useful, and there's a lot of pockets. As you can see by I'm recording with the mic here that's attached to my phone. Anyways, so yeah.